So it is Saturday. We got Brett here. We got Jimmy here. And it's like, you know, the red car group. It's pretty cool. Who would have thought that I'd find two other people that want to have red cars?
I didn't know.
Yeah, Brett did not know.
Brett did not know there was another red car.
There are probably only 3 red cars on Earth. So
yeah,
we're waiting for a couple more cars, and then we're going to head out to UMC, which I still call Miller Motorsports Park, and I will always call Miller Motorsports Park. We're going to have some fun today. All right, so as you can hear, we've got a lot of loud cars. All the cars are here. All of the loud cars. So we've got Brett and someone I don't know. This guy. We've got Thomas and Jimmy. We've got my Mopar loving friend Jesse's here. There's one guy that loves a neon. It's Jesse. And then we've got like Porsche Alley over here. So it's like Gabe back there in the GT3. So I think that we're about ready. We're gonna roll out. See what it looks like. All right, so we have arrived at Utah Motorsports Campus and Miller Motorsports Park. Look at the line just to get in, and we're kind of like early. A lot of my friends haven't even left yet. Yeah, I see a lot of Hondas, a Miata, some more Hondas. There's an R8. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. We've got a lineup behind us too. I mean, look at that. That's not bad for mirror images, right? Now you see them, now you don't. So we've got some cars. So we are here at the park. Look at that lineup. GT3, M4, no, M3. I'm sorry, Jesse, I knew it was M3. Cayman, we've got the 993. We've got Thomas in the beautiful Peach Mobile. Yeah, good turnout. My seats are super ugly, huh? It's all good. Here we go. So you might be thinking, am I at Ruth's Chris Hawaiian Steakhouse? You might be thinking, I wonder where he's eating this delectable dinner. Well, it's actually breakfast. It's pork and katsu.
For breakfast.
For breakfast. What did you get? Whoa, we're in a car?
Mm-hmm.
We're in a car.
We're in the Ford GT.
What are all those things? Those are crazy.
They're little switches to make you feel like you're in a jet.
I want jet stuff in my car.
Mm-hmm.
Look, nobody looks at my car. There she is. She's over there. She's kind of doing her thing.
Guy's got his back to it.
There's Mikey's car. Anyway, we're gonna eat. We are gonna eat now because I actually am pretty hungry now that this is open. All right, bye. All right, so this is Mikey. In fact, I'm gonna get Mikey to say hi on my thing. Hey, Mikey. Oh.
My beard look okay?
It's not flowing in the wind like I was hoping. All right, that's better. That's better. Patrick doesn't want to film today, so he just wants to hang out behind me.
Yep. We're gonna watch you vlog for today.
We are watching me doing all of this. I love that 6 Series. If that's not texture, I don't know what is. Watching the race cars, imagine what it's like now. We're watching the drift cars. We've only hit, what, 1 or 2 rolls since the very beginning. Graphics, you better know. Jesse and Gabe, like, they talked me into this. I don't even know what it's like to ride in a car. No one ever drives me anywhere. So we figured, we'll go out there, do some drifting. And we're not man enough to build our own cars or drift our own cars, so we're just gonna ride with other people.
We just park our cars.
We're hard parkers. We stash them, don't trash them. All right. Got to ride with the Nick Stucky. Hashtag below, we'll find it. And Brandon, wait, Nick. He's occupied. So, Nick, how'd we do today?
Car is not feeling great, but whatever. I'm gonna try to figure it out. But
Nick's a
maybe
man.
I'll get you a rain check, and if it
was fun.
If it gets better, yeah, I'll come find you.
All right,
another ride.
Well, I had fun.
Yeah, good.
It was so cool.
Come out more. The car's not even big.
All right.
Yeah.
Cool. Well, thank you.
Yeah, no worries. Thank you.
Patrick is gonna drive. All right, Patrick.
Oh man,
You're back. Was that your
shaking.
first time?
That was some adrenaline.
What happened?
Nothing too crazy.
You started with Jeff as the instructor.
Yes,
What did he
that
tell
was
you?
very, very helpful. He told me how to not crash and die.
Okay.
So that was nice. Went through all the turns with me. That was very helpful.
He give you a good race line?
Yes. Yes. Apex, all that.
He had Jeff in there
Jeff.
for a minute.
Yeah, I braked a little late on one of the straightaways after hitting, I think, 120.
You go dirty?
No.
Okay.
Not really close at all,
Need
but
to
like
change your pants?
almost.
All right.
It was close.
Okay.
And then on my last lap, my brakes were bad.
So are you coming back next time? I guess that's the question.
Oh yeah. Hopefully in a different car that's easier to drive.
What do you think we're gonna drive next time?
I don't know. Hopefully a 720S.
What?
Ooh.
Well, I didn't know Neon made those.
Ooh.
The Dodge Neon 720S.
The Dodge Neon SRT 720S.
All right, I feel you.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Looks like you had fun.
I sure did.
I gotta tag him, bro. So, Mikey, why are we here? What are we here to see?
A UMC or the car?
Maybe your better beard than mine.
Oh, yeah, it's growing, but mine's great.
Did you know that smoke comes out of RX-7s? Because I did know that. So UMC, specifically, what's behind me besides this Ferrari?
There's a Ferrari, and then if you turn this way,
Oh, hi.
it's the acid green Sinister.
Oh, sweet. So this
Welcome to
is
Utah.
a very cool... It's kind of a YouTube star now, right? To a degree?
It is.
What's your favorite part of it? Like, you just got it, what, a month ago?
Just driving it, ear to ear grin all the time. It's just like you giggle like a little girl.
And I've known Mikey for a long time. He's had cars.
I've had a lot of cars. This one's definitely. It was gonna be like a year car. Sell it. I'll never sell this car. It is staying forever.
He's lying. He will sell it. I know Mikey.
I will never sell this car.
We'll
This
see.
will be forever.
So let's get in and check it out.
Mario was too skinny.
All right. So actually, the thing is with a full bucket like this, you want it to grab you about this much.
Right.
I'm not gonna ask what your waist size is, but I'm about a 36.
Yeah, I'm a 36. It's too tight.
It's hard for like day to day.
Right. And this will be like a rally car, so it's going on week trips.
I can't wait. So, CAE shifter. Here, I'm gonna switch to the other view. I believe these are wheels that Mark Arsenal does. I believe that he does all of these wheels and sells them through his site.
Yep, I bought it.
Oh, you added this? So this is actually the first mod.
This is my first mod.
All right. So yeah, Mark does these. You can get them at RWB _USA, I think is what the site is, or just Google it. I love the Alcantara dash.
Headliner.
Oh, headliner too. That's nice. Acid green on the window banner, which is cool because you don't see a lot of paint matched window banners on these. So that's pretty cool. CAE shifter, this is the one that we want to put in. Oh, mine will not feel that good, I bet. Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me?
It's nice.
So nice. So this is basically better than a Ferrari at this point for me. Okay, now what's this?
I don't know. Edmund gave it to me. He said it came with the car.
Okay, is it like Secret Charm or something?
I don't know. He said Mikey took it. I doubt it. But it came with the car. Or he wanted it, but I made him keep it with the car.
Okay, cool. And any other, do you have plans for what's coming next inside?
Inside, I got new seats. So it can fit my big ass waist.
You want to tell me what they are now? Secret?
Yeah, they're the Saybelt. Is that a thing?
Yeah.
That they're called? So the same ones that Jeff has in Jennabelle.
Okay.
Jeff just picked up.
We don't know Jennabelle.
Oh,
wait, we don't know Jeff yet. We'll know Jeff one of these
Oh,
days.
gotcha. So I tried his seats out. They fit my butt nicely.
Nice.
So I ordered those seats. Those will be here next week, hopefully. And that's it for the interior so far.
We may or may not, rumor is, maybe making some carbon door cards for these. So I'll let you know if that happens.
Oh.
So, well,
Here, set her up.
Ooh, okay, can you film me?
Yes.
Just let it run and I'll edit it later. I have the same key, by the way.
You might need to push the button.
Where's the button?
So this is weird. Almost some security. Alright, now you're good. You can give it some revs.
I want to make sure I'm in neutral.
She sounds good.
Alright, I'm in neutral. Wow, sounds really good. So this is a car. They call these cars in America. Automobiles in Europe. That's
Switch.
cool. Sounds great. Low miles. You've got less miles than me.
Really?
Yeah, I thought I had pretty low miles, but you've got a few less. And yeah, that's a pretty good tour.
I love the color, man. Is that yours?
Yeah.
I love this. I saw your RS6 in person.
RS6 cooler. It's a fun daily.
Oh, this is the trick. That's why I fit, is because he's got the pad out.
Yeah.
Otherwise, I might not have fit.
Definitely
Makes
the pad
sense.
out.
All right, that makes sense. And then there's suspension that looks like Coors Light cans in the back.
Yep. Dusty.
Yeah. So you got those. These are cool because people don't realize that this venting is all hand cut.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so this is all hand done. That's cool stuff. Patrick's car's got these vents like this literally all over the car.
Oh, cool.
It's really cool.
I didn't know they were hand done. I thought they were molded into the kit.
Yeah, no, he goes through it, my friend. And then
I didn't realize this was hand cut too.
Yeah.
I thought this was a sticker in all the pictures you see.
oh yeah.
Like on all the cars.
Here, sorry.
Oh, it's all good. I thought this was just a sticker from all the pictures you see online.
Yeah.
And when I got it in person, I was like, holy shit, it's cut out.
Yeah, it's really cool. It's a cool setup. Big wheels. Are the wheels gonna stay forever? Oh, I didn't even notice that you had two different color wheels on here.
Color wheels.
So Mikey likes to do two-tone cars. He's never done two-tone just wheels, though, I don't think.
I did green and white on my RS.
All right. So this is kind of Mikey's
This car was
jam.
meant to be.
And Mikey likes, let's see those socks. He actually owned those before the car. That's
Yeah?
a true story. So you can go follow Mikey here. Don't DM him, he never responds. Oh, you've got the acid matched calipers. We were guessing that those are 964 fronts.
Yes.
And then 993 fronts fronts on the front.
Fronts.
Yeah.
94 rears.
And then, how big did you decide your tires are?
335 rear. I don't know what the front is.
It's a 335 rear?
Yeah, 335.
So 335 rear,
I think 285.
285. Love these. Mine, I don't think I ordered mine don't swoop this much. Mine are the ones that come from here and then come around. But we've got a couple of like little touch-up things. We've got a inbound, right? We've got the lip coming. We're gonna go through lots more tires.
Yes.
How many tires do you think we'll go through this year?
I'm gonna put at least 15,000 miles this summer. I'll drive it.
Okay, let me know. I'll go drive with you.
Okay.
Yeah. Well, cool. Appreciate it. Mikey has way more friends than me, so. See, look, friends. Mikey's got friends on friends. I better get a fist bump. See you, dude. But hey, we've had a good day, a lot of fun following Mikey home, and yeah, good times by all. So thanks for tuning in. I love you guys. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button below, and let's hang out sometime, maybe. All right, call me.